Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's Caroline back there. I have not made a video in like forever, so I'm going to make a Dreamcatcher today. So I figured I'd just bring you guys along. So yeah, let's just get started. So I went to Walmart and I got a whole bunch of stuff. So I got this like little Dreamcatcher kit, and then I got these little cords. I got some little keys. I got some feathers. I got this little ribbon. I got these. And then I got this little first aid jewelry kit. And look at the little thing, they're so cute. Yeah, I don't know where really this is gonna go, but I guess we're gonna figure it out, right? So I'm done wrapping this. It looks like this. Also, Caroline made me a necklace that says I love Caroline, and she has one that says I love Libby. Look up. So it has in the little thingy in the middle. Looks like this. New day, same bitch. This is where we ended off. I'll say this should be the top. This should be the bottom, right? So this is the final product. I didn't film the last couple. I just added some keys in here and throughout here. You can see them right there. But yeah, I think it looks very, is it whimsical? Is that like a good term for it? I really like it. And there's Cheeto meowing because he can't come outside because he was messing with my stuff. I really like it. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'm so sorry for not making videos. I will make more hopefully soon. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.